Howdy, Dobro friends. I'm looking forward to my next Zoom series for Nashville Acoustic Camps. It's called Dobro Crash Course number 2. In my first series, Dobro Crash Course number 1, we covered a lot of really important basics for playing Dobro in G major tuning. We learned a pattern for mapping out the fretboard using just 3 shapes. We learned to play melody lines that correspond with the chord progressions. We learned to find chord triad notes away from straight bar chord positions. We worked with minor chords. We did picking, barring, and damping techniques and rolls, essential Dobro vocabulary, and a whole lot more. In Dobro Crash Course number 2, we're going to take everything we learned in that first session and put it to use right away. And what we are going to do is one step at a time. We're going to build bluegrass Dobro solos. We're going to take a typical 3-chord song. We're going to start in the key of G, and we're going to build it up one phrase at a time, just with a few 2, 3, 4 note phrases. We're going to look at how to play those phrases more musically, how to embellish them with hammer-ons, pull-offs, and slides, how to add rolls and open strings and harmony notes. And we're going to work up a nice sounding solo in the key of G. And then we're going to take the same exact song and work it up in the key of C. And then we're going to take the same song and work it up in the key of D, all without a capo, of course. Those 3 positions are the most convenient major keys to play on Dobro in G tuning without a capo, because all the open strings work. And so if you take those 3 positions and add a capo, just out of those 3 approaches, you can play in any major key, sometimes using a capo, sometimes not, and all the open strings will work. This is really going to open up the instrument for you. It's going to give you a lot of ideas beyond just the stuff that you know in G. We're going to do it one step at a time in the easiest way possible. I won't confuse you with extraneous music theory. I'm only going to talk music theory in the most necessary and straightforward way. We won't get bogged down in it, and I'm going to teach you very practical strategies for playing Dobro, useful, easy to remember pockets to play out of and out of different keys, and things that you can start doing right away. So this is going to improve your playing and your confidence pretty much immediately. That is my plan. And it's a 4-week class. Again, you'll be able to keep the recordings forever and all the handouts and so forth. And we'll do one bonus session, question and answer session sometime after the workshop series ends, and you'll get to unmute and ask any questions that you might have. And it should be a whole lot of fun and very informative. I think with Dobro Crash Course number 1 and 2, that is going to give you a great foundation for being able to play in just about any bluegrass jam you might find yourself in. So I hope to see you in February. See you later.